Alrighty, everyone. That is just my Betty Crocker brownie mix. I made a double batch. Now I'm coming over here to my mixing bowl. Now I'm coming in with my heavy whipping cream, and I am just gonna add in this whole pint to my bowl here. Coming in with 1 box instant chocolate pudding. And I did have my bowl in my freezer, but I took it out just before I took my brownies out, so it's not quite as cold. Now for the fun part, we are adding in some Baileys. And you could put in the Baileys salted caramel, you could use some mini bottles. I'm just gonna use about 1/3 of this small size bottle. Grabbing my hand mixer again, and we are just gonna start mixing this together, getting it nice and fluffy with all that heavy whipping cream. I wanna turn this into a delicious treat, and I'll show you what we're doing next. Ooh, look at this beautiful chocolate Baileys mousse, y'all. Doesn't that look so tasty? Yum. All right, I'm gonna set this to the side, and I am just going to bring in my little disposable cups here, but you can do glasses, wine glasses, whatever you prefer. I'm gonna come back in with my brownie tray here. I'm using my large kind of ice cream scoop, and I'm just gonna start with a good size scoop of my crumbled brownie into each of these cups now. This is gonna be so fun. I love like themed desserts. I don't know about you guys, but I love a good theme. I love a good holiday, and this is fun. You can kind of customize this for any holiday that you want, but I like to do it for this upcoming special celebration, especially, you know, if you've got adults coming to your party. That's the most important thing. Now I've got that chocolate Baileys pudding mousse. Wow, look at the texture of that. It's just scooping out so well. It seems like it's thickened up just right. It's gonna have just that nice amount of Baileys, which is going to complement the chocolate flavoring. I also saw a salted caramel Baileys at the grocery store, y'all, and if I was still a drinker, I would 100% be putting that in my coffee. I'm just gonna use my little spatula here, kind of flatten out our mousse just a little bit, make that into a little bit more of an even layer. Ooh, y'all, the Baileys, I can smell it even in this mousse, and it just smells absolutely fantastic. So excited for my guests today to enjoy these. All right, now that we've got our mousse filled up here, I'm just gonna add a little bit more brownie crumbs to each of our cups. And you could even put that Baileys into your brownie batter. Or, you know, sometimes I like to put coffee in my brownie batter as well. Really just depends on the day and how I'm feeling and who I'm gonna be sharing these with. Alrighty, I'm just gonna add a little bit more moussey mousse right on top. This is, I was gonna say, the dessert of champions. Like I said, if you're hosting Easter at your house and you've got kids, I mean, you just put these on the adult table. You know what I mean? Keep them out of the reach of the little kiddies, and I think you'll have no problem at all. All right, I'm gonna use some of my little rainbow mini eggs here. I love these, y'all. And I like that these ones are such bright colors. They make pastels and traditional colors and all that jazz, but I am a rainbow girl. I just love bright colors, much to Marty's dismay. Oh.
What? I have no problem with bright colors.
You don't?
No, I mean,
Okay, so I can paint the wall
okay.
chartreuse then. All right, I'm gonna add a little peep in here. So I peep, yeah. And we're gonna add a peep. Y'all, the peep color selection is not in full fruition yet this season. These were the ones that I was able to get. Of course, y'all can add the little green grass coconut shreds on here if you want, but I am just putting my little shovels in here for a little tasty taste, fun, in theme. And we're leaving the coconut off today because I know some people don't love it. You guys, I have a very special guest who's going to try these. This is our friend Andrew, who we love. Andrew, you'll have to
so excited.
tell me what you think.
egg in there too with the mousse. This looks delicious. Mmm. That Bailey's did it right. Mmm.
I'll be having the ones from the kids' table, y'all. But Andrew said it. You gotta try it.